What's up, everyone? Trey here from Topic Tech, and today we're going to take a look at the Stream Deck Plus. A couple of cool features that I like about this, and I wasn't sure why I would get a Stream Deck Plus since I already have a Stream Deck. Here's the Stream Deck Mark II. Just wanted to show you guys a couple of my favorite features. One of them being the buttons are actually just a little bit bigger than the previous models, so you do get a little bit easier to press in those buttons, but you do get less of them. So you only have 8 versus 15. However, you do have the ability to have different pages simply swiping on the touchpad here. This touchpad also works in conjunction with these knobs. But if you wanted to swipe left, you could actually have a whole other page of buttons and a whole other page of knobs. You can have up to 10 pages, and I'll show you guys how that looks in the software. A little bit bigger buttons, they're brighter as well too, so it's easier to see from across your desk. But these knobs, you do have several knobs that you can adjust, and you can customize each one of these to have, let's say, like your system audio, if you want to have one that's customized for just Discord audio. And then I have these two paired up to my key lights, so I can actually adjust the brightness. I can turn them on by pressing them, turn them off, and I can adjust the brightness for each one, my left and my right one, from there. And again, you can swipe the page, which gives you another whole nother page, and you get different controls for your knobs. So it makes it really convenient, and it seems like you're getting less, but I really feel like you get a lot more. So here's a look at the Stream Deck Plus software. It's the same software you would use for your Stream Deck, except instead of just buttons, you also have this touchscreen display that you can control what goes here, as well as what pairs them up with each knob as well too. So like my first knob here I have is my system volume, but you can actually change that from system volume to something more specific like Discord volume. I think Discord volume 2 is probably like your microphone. Go XLR app. So I do have the Go XLR my set up. Microsoft Edge if you wanted to control volume of your specific web browser, and just more specific programs that just like the actual Elgato Wave software uses, which is pretty cool, that you can control here on the Stream Deck Plus. Now, the other really cool thing is you can set up pages. Pages are also where you basically have a whole new set of buttons. So if you wanted to quickly, and all you have to do to change that is just swipe on the actual display board. You swipe left or right, it takes you to page 2. You can have page 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can have a ton of pages, up to 10 pages, and each page can be something different, have different knobs, different buttons, and also folders within folders. So it really gives you a lot of flexibility when you are using this on the fly. So just gotta make sure each page that you use, otherwise you have a bunch of blank pages like I do now. But looking at the page that I created, just like your Stream Deck, you have buttons, and you can also have folders within those buttons. You can also set up multitasking, so multi-actions, that's also available. Really nice, a lot of really great features. And I think Stream Deck did a really good job with this. If you're considering picking one of these up, or even considering the difference between Stream Deck or Stream Deck Plus, the Stream Deck Plus gives you everything the Stream Deck does, plus more. I think that's why they call it the Plus.